Day 4 of my recovery phase, full body workout, as I try to keep fit and consistent while I prepare for my next bulking phase. Most of the stuff that I'm going to be doing during this recovery phase for the next 2-3 weeks or so is the stuff I was doing during my last bulking phase. So I want to talk about my experience of the gym. I realize there's 3 types of people in the gym. People who use coaches, gym coaches, and there's people who got gym buddies, gym partners, and there's people solo gym people. So like me, I normally work out by myself. And I'm just going to talk about people like me and what inspires me to try different workouts and different stuff and different weights. I normally approach gym coaches, and sometimes it's actually a great idea to approach pro bodybuilders in the gym. And ask them a few questions, not to only rely on social media and YouTube, but just to approach people you see doing what you want to be doing. They can lead you in the right direction and even give you a few tutorial on just a session. So if you want to see my full journey of my recovery phase and my future bulking phases, please subscribe.